Gilbert, Olanya. Gilbert Olanya is a Ugandan politician who is serving as the Member of Parliament of Kilak South on the ticket of Forum for Democratic Party, OFDC. Gilbert Olanya is a kind of member of parliament that I can say is alone in Acholi. The Acholi people, I don't have to talk much about Gilbert Olanya. His achievements is unmeasurable. There's no way you can underrate Gilbert. The fight for Palan in his home district, Amor, coming to demonstrate with APG, Karamujong in Agago and Kitgum, defending environment, not to be washed away by climate change, by fighting against stupid charcoal production, reckless, excessive charcoal production in Acholi, defending the land passed on to by the ancestors, which it was being invaded by the Balalo and still being invaded. All this is unmeasurable. Words cannot say. Gilbert Olanya is always unforgettable, and he will be forever. Gilbert Olanya, welcome to the Acholi